Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V, the architect. Today we are looking at how to create a layer properties in AutoCAD. Open AutoCAD, then go layer properties, then go here, create a new layer, name it whatever you want. Let's make it wall. Now on the color, I can change the color. Let's make it green, then press OK. Then go to line type. You can change also the line type. Let's make load. You can choose whatever you want. Let's make it by default the same continuous line. Let's make a new one. Let's make it door. Then press OK or enter. Then change the color. Now let's close it. Here on layers, you can choose, let's make a wall. Let's make a rectangle, offset, let's create a door, a new layer, and here is our layers. You can turn them off to hide them, and you can also turn them on.